And just like that, we're done. YouTube, Untamed here. So today I've made a little bit of a controversial decision to remove the decals, the stickers on my 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor 37 Performance Package. I honestly don't think it looks too bad or too gaudy or too in your face. However, I personally believe that less is more often than not, and it doesn't need to scream Raptor. It doesn't need to have a giant sticker that says Raptor on the back end of it. And well, the ones on the hood, I think they're subtle enough. As you see behind me here, and I'll show you a little bit better video of it, I think, again, less is more. So we're gonna do without it, and hopefully I don't regret this decision. Let me know what your thoughts are as we peel it off. As for the removal process, I'm told it's quite simple. Really, it's just you heat it up. I might just use my wife's hair dryer, heat this material up a little bit, get a corner of it, and start peeling it upward. So it should be as easy as that. Let me remind you of what we look like out back. So nothing too in your face, but again, I think it's just gonna look better all cleaned up. I'm hopeful anyway, because there's no going back. Well, there is going back, but it's an expensive going back to reapply this. This option here, I think, is like $1,500 or even a little bit more than that, which is pretty silly for a $3 sticker at the end of the day, right? So got them on both sides, of course, but I am hopeful that it'll look nicer, all cleaned up and just Oxford white back here. I considered maybe keeping it on the top up here just for the sake of having some additional protection, perhaps, right? I mean, if a rock flies up here, I'd rather it hit this sticker, the decal, rather than actually damage the paint or the hood, of course. But maybe later down the road, perhaps I can put some PPF, some paint protection film on top of this to make it look better, or to actually protect it, of course, right? So there you have it. That's just a reminder before we get going on it of what it looks like. And perhaps this step is a little overkill because you're removing it, but personally I like to be working with a clean surface. So I'll just do a quick wipe down. What I'll use is some wax and dry, Turtles wax and dry, as I spray it and wipe it down just to get rid of a lot of the dirt and residue already on it. So we just have a nice clean surface to be working with from the start. And it has been very hot out today, so maybe, just maybe, there's a chance that it could peel up without taking the hair dryer to it. But this here is gonna be my step number one anyway. And well, ladies and gentlemen, I've reached the point of no return. I just used my fingernail to peel up the corner of the R in Raptor here. So we've peeled it up just enough, and let's see how easy it begins to come up. So far, so good. A little bit of residue, you know, sticky residue being left behind, nothing that isn't manageable. So we are gonna do this throughout the rest of it. And I'll let you know if I need to break out the hair dryer to loosen it up a little bit more. For the sake of not leaving as much adhesive behind as I pull up the stickers, I did bust out my wife's hair dryer. This is my wife's, not mine. And once you heat it up, it does become much easier to actually peel this up. I try to, obviously I'm recording, holding the camera in one hand, but using two hands makes it easiest, of course, as you kind of have a full grip on it as you're moving it out. But heating it up did remove the chances of leaving behind so much residue. You can kind of see here it's very clean, whereas up here when I first started, I hadn't actually heated it up. So we left some residue behind, which I'll have to hit it with Goo Gone afterward and polish it up. So definitely use a hairdryer or some sort of heating gun. But this is what it looks like without a decal. And of course, over here, and just a reminder, is what it looks like with the decal. So like I said, there's no going back. You guys tell me honestly, and you won't hurt my feelings if you don't like this, tell me what you prefer. All right, it is coming together. We have the rear decals removed. Give you a look at what that looks like real quick. And one of the hood decals removed at this point. Obviously this side is gone, and this is the final sticker to remove. And just like that, we're done. And right here where we had the adhesive, I just sprayed a little bit of Goo Gone on it, your standard Goo Gone, of course, just a couple sprays. and we're gonna let that sit just for a minute to get rid of that adhesive. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here is the finished product. This right here, well, it doesn't feel like $1,500, but there we have it. It is gone. No more stickers on my Raptor. Hood all cleared up, of course, and out back, a little bit more carnage here in the ground, but that's what we're looking like. I love it. I think it just looks clean. You don't need to scream in people's face. I mean, it's already screaming in your face plenty, just in and of itself, right? You don't need stickers to add to it, in my personal opinion. You guys tell me if you agree. As always, guys, I sincerely appreciate you taking the time to tune into these videos. If you'd like to see more update videos on the Raptor, just let me know. In future videos, I'll be highlighting the other additions that I did to it recently. If you care to see it, feel free to like and subscribe. Till next time.